Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we will learn if, else, else if, the conditional statements. We'll identify here the clear explanation of these statements in this session. The conditional statements are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. The PHP conditional statements very oftenly use if, else, if this condition is satisfied or it's not satisfied else part. If else part, sometimes two conditions may require to verify. That time if condition is satisfied, okay, or else another condition want to satisfied else if may require. Like we will see one by one with the clear explanations and identify what is the statements, how it will goes to the explanations. The basic syntax of if condition statement: if that condition and code to be executed if condition is true. And now we will discuss the following conditional statements over here. If statement executes some code if one condition is true, then only if condition is satisfied it will goes to and give us an output straight away. If else statement is there, some code of the condition is true, another code is false, then it will give us an if that condition is true or false. If condition is satisfied, one statement; condition is not satisfied, give to the else part. That's it, the simple. And if else statement executes a different type of codes for more than two conditions are to be required to satisfy in this session, in this third statement. Okay, we'll see first if condition only. Here it's a basic statement only if I am written here based on this syntax. You identify that and you will write based on you. I am taking as one parameter as a date, h only, hours. If time less than 20, have a good day, I am printing. If it is satisfied less than 20, it's a given value is came with the below 20, it will print have a good day. That's it. That is my if condition. Reload. Have a good day is printed. In the sense the value is coming from that this parameter is below 20. Let's check that value, how it is, how much it's printing. Echo $t. Wherever you require, you put an echo and check with that value of in PHP language. That is we can call it as debugging. 10 it's printed here, you will check it. 10 in the sense it's a below value of the 20, in the sense it's a printed as in have a good day. Now we will elaborate and extend this value with else condition. If the statement is true, it's printed. Else, here only you need to write else. I need to print here echo have a great day. I'm telling that have a great day only print. If the statement is satisfied this, if it is not satisfied it will be print. That's it. That much of simple. In this scenario, if it is more than one condition, we need to write here. It is showing that if no, there is an else part. Here only else if. We need to write another condition over here. That is, I will show you CONDITI condition. Else. Here I need to print a statement of what we want to echo, and here statement want to print that condition. First it will check that condition. If it is not satisfied, it will comes to the verify this condition. If it is not satisfied, either satisfied or not satisfied, it will comes to the another else part and it will prints. Like either two or many more, you can use the if else condition. Otherwise you can go with that statements are like switch cases. The switch cases, there is a statements, there is a group of programs where we can switch it, either this or that, and there it will go and execute and it will gives to the written statements. In further classes we will see what is the switch case and how it will execute and how it will use. In this session I think you will familiar with this if else statement, how to use, and if conditions or else conditions and else parts. This is a basic idea is sufficient to write a if else condition program. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and avail all the videos. Like, share, comment any of your views. Thank you.